Hey guys, so due to popular demand, mainly from Brandroid, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do FK on this arm. So, yeah, I've had several questions about, well, how come his hand goes like this? And, yeah, because that's part of IK, and partly because Moto's system isn't quite, all the way where it should be. And my rigging skills are also definitely not where they should be. But there's probably a way to fix that, but I don't really know how. But I sort of know how to show you how to do FK, so that's what I'm going to attempt to do. Okie doke. So first things first, let's click on this guy and see where it is in the hierarchy. Oh, by the way, we are on the 3-piece torso, which is available for download. You can see it in the string. So yeah, this guy over here, let's widen this out a little bit. First off, if you're going to use FK, first off, we didn't even need this position constraint, so let's just delete that. I didn't even need to do that to begin with. That was my mistake, because as you can see, we're still working fine there. So, but what we do need to do is go back to our groups and turn this bad boy back on. Members visible, yes. Because we need to parent this piece to our wrist locator. So let's just go ahead and do that. We're going to select that, we're going to select the wrist locator, and we're going to hit P for parent. Then we're going to go back to this guy, and let's go back into our item list. F, and rotation constraint, we're good with that. We can now delete that as well. So now we just got this guy, he's parented to this locator, and you'll see now when we move that, that's operating like it should. Okay, so to start this thing up, as all good rigging things start in Moto, it starts with a locator. So let's create that locator, which is now down at the base. And let's bring it up by the hand, because this is going to be our switch. And let's put it in line with that finger control. And we will change the display on it. Let's do custom, replace, plane, get rid of solid, do it on Y. Let's bring this down to, I don't know, 150 millimeters. Yeah, that's probably pretty good. And 300 millimeters, like so, and we'll bring it right in there. So you could put this thing anywhere. I'm just going to put it here. Ideally, actually, we should probably flop these things. Let's bring that over there like that. Okay, so this is going to be our switch right here. So let's name that IKFK switch. Excellent. And we're going to add a channel for it so that it knows what to do. So you will type in IKFK switch there. Use minimum value, use maximum value of 0, maximum value of 1. Everything's good there. Hit OK. And now if we bring up our channel links, you'll see it automatically loads whatever's selected into load driven. We'll swap that over so that it's actually the driver. And down at the bottom, IKFK switch. That's the channel we just created. I'm going to move that over here for now. Alright, so what do we need to drive? What are we switching? We're going to be switching the IK planar something or other. I don't know, we'll see in a minute what it's called. Well, basically we want to select this handle and hit, not F there, we want to go over here and hit F. Dual joint planar IK. That's what powers this thing. That's what's creating this line, the elbow, all that good stuff. So let's look at the properties for dual joint planar IK, and you can see that IK-FK blend is set to 100. That means that at 100% it's controlled by IK. Let's go back to it. If we set it to 0%, you will see now if you move this, nothing happens, and we're back to rotating these guys here. And now he's working in FK. Pretty cool, right? So what we want to do is take this and we're going to load this as driven. Not super mover, we got changed here. load driven. So we're going to make this IK-FK switch drive the blend, because blend is what's going on over here. So we're going to make this relationship, and we're going to hit add link. And so what do we want here? We want at 0, that's correct. We're going to hit 1 here, and we're going to change this to 100%. And we're going to key that. And now we're going from 0 to 100. And you'll notice that the hand is shifting slightly here because it's switching from IK to FK, because they're not perfectly aligned. And that's okay. So let's choose something else so that goes away. So now let's bring this up and go to our channels and IK switch. You set that to 0. It goes to IK, and you can see that here. Oop. You're in FK, excuse me. You're now in FK. And you go back to the switch again. Set it to 1. And you are back in IK. Now, part of the problem though is that now that we're back in IK, if we rotate this guy, the hand is no longer rotating properly with this because it is parented to the wrist locator. So how do we fix that? Well, we're going to learn something about, not that, we're going to learn something about channel modifiers, which are super batical, but I don't really know how to use them, except for this particular one because Chris Haig showed me how to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it now. So we'll choose our IK switch here. We'll go up to Add Channel Modifier, and we are going to choose Matrix Blend. And we'll hit OK. And let's select this guy, and there's our Matrix Blend right there. So what is a Matrix Blend, you ask? Let's open up channel links right here. So a Matrix Blend is made up of Matrix A, Matrix B, and a blend between Matrix A and Matrix B. So what you can do is you can add a value for this one and a value for this one and blend between the two. In our case, our hand is now parented to this guy, or at least it should be, yeah. And so in value A, we want it to be parented to this guy, and value B, we want it to be parented to this guy, so that the rotation is locked to this one in A, and the rotation is locked to this one in B. And then we'll blend between the two, depending on whether we're in IK or FK, so that the hand rotates properly depending on what mode we're in. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So first of all, let's load this guy up. Load driver, left wrist. We are going to link world rotation to Matrix A, and we are going to hit add link. For the second one, we're going to choose the IK goal.